While you're underneath the sink, you also want to do a little bit of plumbing maintenance. Now in this case, this emergency shutoff valve right here does not have a handle, but these shutoff valves should be turned on and off at least once a year to keep them freed up, and that keeps them from seizing up and tightening up so tight that you can't get them off. There's one for the hot and there's one for the cold. Both should be done that way. There's also a couple other things under the kitchen sink that you want to pay attention to. This right here is a little Insta-Hot water heater. This Insta-Hot water heater runs up and it makes hot water instantly to this kitchen sink. The second thing is this little carbon filter here. This carbon filter supplies water for drinking up on this faucet to the right. It has cold and hot water, so the Insta-Hot runs to that faucet itself. This filter is tied into the cold water side on this water line right behind the garbage disposal. Since it's tied into the cold water side, you can shut that emergency shutoff valve off, twist this filter off, twist a new filter on, and that would replace the filter. Now that needs to be replaced, and the determining factor in this is how much water do you use from this faucet.